For this HIT circuit, you're going to complete 2 to 5 rounds depending on fitness level. You'll complete each exercise for 45 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest.
Starting your Tabata workout. Get ready. Exercise.
The air squat is a great functional movement. If you're a beginner, make sure you're using a target to help out. Keep your back straight, keep your knees pushed out towards your toes, and push your feet towards the outside of your shoes on the way up and on the way down to engage those hip flexors.
Rest. Exercise.
For these alternating high plank shoulder taps, make sure that you're squeezing your glutes and engaging your abdomen while keeping your spine and neck neutral. If you're a beginner, make sure to anchor with your knees rather than your toes. And you can also elevate your hands to help out also.
Rest. Exercise.
The thruster is a great complex movement, combining a squat and a press. If you're a beginner, this can be done with or without weights, so you choose your resistance.
Rest. Exercise.
The reverse lunge is a semi-wide step backwards. You're going to dip the hips down while keeping your torso nice and straight. Make sure that that front knee doesn't go over that front toe. If you need some help, make sure to hold on to something for support.
Rest.